Hello guys, I hope everyone is doing well. So it's that day of the week to clean my place. So I've been really busy, that's why I've not been posting enough. And it's really hard to get content when sorry to see any story side. But I need to clean our place right now. It's not dirty. I'm not cleaning. I'm just cleaning Juju because of the hair. Gonna hairs around. But before that, let's take time to appreciate my hair. So when I got these locks, then into the next day. I was having like a lot of thoughts about it. Nasema sijui if I will like it, sijui if it will get a place that I feel I don't need it, alafu I end up shaving my hair. But so far, I don't feel anything like that. I just feel normal. I just feel okay. And because I'm very lazy these days, I have been lazy to look after the hair because it's okay. It doesn't give me a lot of work to do, but sometimes it does. And because his spray bottle I got from Shane. Alafu ndani I have like spray you see, the spray is rosemary, cloves, nanini, fenugreek, alafu nika add a bit of glycerin. Hey, hii kitu ya rosemary and cloves imetrend TikTok, so I saw her. Let me try. Juu hapa I lost a lot of hair, and then hapa hivi mbele my hair shedded a lot. That's why it's inakani kama si thick, but mostly I have thicker hair mbele than nyuma. Like me say ukiangalia someone, you think that my hair at the back is always thicker than mbele, but because I have shedded a lot. So I decided, why not try? I've been using it for 1 week. First, I love it because it keeps my hair very moisturized. I think your glycerin has really helped because before, if I just spray like that, at the end of the day, it's already dry. And being a starter lock, I was told don't use oil, don't use this, because if you use this, it will take time to lock. So I only used to use water, and let me add the glycerin, and it's really doing its thing. I love it. So yeah, it's in a story mob, but I love it. And hardship kitu ni time inafika ku retighten. It's almost 2 months since I retightened, so I need to start thinking about retightening it again. Kwa sababu pesa ya ku retighten sina. I don't have that money. So guys, let's go and clean this place. It's so messy. It's just that chini, it's a bit chafu, and then there's a lot of hair and marks. It being brighter times. It's a bright time, so lazima tuioshe. We'll start kupanguza two surfaces, and then we go and wash the toilets, and then to wipe floors. Hivyo tu haraka because I don't want this to be a very long video. It's not deep cleaning. Maybe chup. We go. Uzuri ya kujejaja, because I also need to do some things, and it's already 2. It's already 2 p.m. So let's do this, guys. And sina tripod. I don't know place nitawasimamisha kindo mnione, but I'll just find a way. Let's go. You see place nimewasimamisha. I have been placing here my phone so I can speak, and just saizi I don't know where I'll put you. So this is the situation of this house. It's not like it's messy. There's a lot of hair down, and then I'll just wipe the surfaces to remove dust na oil, and yeah, that's it. Hapo kitchen I was cooking, alafu ni hivyo chini nipanguze tu juu kuna uchafu kidogo kidogo, and yeah, that's it. Yeah guys, I decided we start with the kitchen. To remove those mats down, and then just wipe the surfaces. After that, wash a bit of the dishes that I had. They're not even many, like 3 or 4. And then yeah, so that I can head over to the floors. So you just watch, and don't forget to like, comment if you like this kind of videos, so it can help me grow, and I will appreciate that. You don't know. So guys, this place is not it's never even dirty. It's just hair, sometimes down, and maybe just oil marks on the tables, maybe when we are eating and something like that, and then a bit of food particles on the floor, maybe when you're cooking. But it's never even dirty because 90% of our time, 90% of our day it's not spent inside the house. And every time we stay 3 people in this apartment, so every time someone is at home, they usually try and make the place clean. So when it's your turn, it's not even dirty, it's just clean. Yeah. Yes. Yes, sir. I don't know about many of you, but for me personally, I usually find like mopping with this kind of dusters easier than mopping with the mopping stick, because this one I have control over it and I can go a big portion and I know that it's clean. I don't have to go back, other than like the mop stick, you have to go over and over again. So I just take this because it's even faster than the stick. So yeah, it's the African in me. I just realized the last vlog I did, I was wearing the same sweat. Hey, don't come after me. Ama inakuanga over me, ama to me. Don't do that. Because I only have this one. I only have this sweater, and I didn't even realize that it was on the last vlog. I realized later. But yeah, lazima tuvae ndo mjue ni zetu. Tusipozivaa mara nyingi hamtajua ni zetu. So guys, I think I'll just clean the bedroom without you guys, and then so you don't make this a very long video. So I'll just go in, clean the bedroom. So guys, for the bedroom, this is it. Nothing much. I recorded the video and then I realized that I did not record anything when I'm editing, so I just took that time kidogo and then I show you. That's it. That is it. You see, it's clean. Yeah. So guys, I'm already done. I just want to boil some rice for me. This that is here is very little. I want to boil some rice and I will done. Maybe it's not looking that perfect, but at least haiko nini? Haiko dust ya kuko chafu. Unaona kitu ninatumia? So I found this for my roommate. Niko na it's a phone holder ndo nimekale hapo juu kwa this box. I need to buy a tripod. So that's how the kitchen is looking like. Very clean. But I've got a situation here I need to fix. Mbona kundani the way it's looking? I need to buy some things and fix that. When I do, I will make a video about that. So yeah, into chafu I'm going to throw after. This is the washroom. Muna ni safi. It's clean, not that clean though. And then chondo hiyo, it's clean. Dustbin nime empty. Sijapanga hapa. Like I said, so deep cleaning. I was just cleaning to make it look good. So yeah, clean. Sure, and that's it, guys. So guys, that's it. I am done. Until next time, say bye bye. I'm just going to boil some rice and cereals. The cereals. Hey, green grams. I had already boiled the green grams, so I'll just fry them and boil some rice. Yeah, and that's it. Until next time, see you. Bye bye.